Stop scrolling if you've been battling a persistent, annoying cough that just won't let you sleep or makes every word painful. I'm about to reveal a shocking home remedy that delivers relief in mere minutes. You only need two simple ingredients you already have: a lemon, prized for its natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and a pinch of salt to soothe irritation. Here's the magic trick. Gently warm an entire lemon on your stove over low heat for about 2 minutes. This crucial step activates its powerful healing compounds. Once warm, slice it in half, squeeze its juice into a spoon, add a small pinch of salt, and mix well. Drink it slowly and feel the instant soothing sensation. This potent concoction quickly cuts through phlegm, calms your irritated throat, and stops that cough dead in its tracks. The heat enhances the lemon's benefits, salt disinfects, and citric acid clears congestion. This isn't just an old wives' tale, it's science-backed relief. Try it now. Comment, "Cough gone," if you will, save this video, and follow for more unexpected solutions.